students. Let's start our new exercise 2b. In this exercise, we will learn the subtraction and addition of the integers. As we see, 6 is a positive integer and we have to add in the negative integer, it's a minus 2. For this purpose, let's draw a number line. Again, on the right side, positive integers, and on the left side, negative integers. As we have to add the positive 6 and into a negative 2. Let's consider a person who is standing on the position positive 6 and he have to move towards the negative side on the left side at a 2 times. So he will jump first time and the second time and the backward. Negative integer is a present on a number line on the left side. So negative 2 we will jump on the left side. So now with the position we will reach is a positive 4. So the answer is a positive 4. If we add a positive 6 into a negative 2, we will get a result positive 4. By this way, we cannot handle the bigger numbers or bigger integers. For this purpose, we will develop some rules. Let's recall the rules. First one is values of same signs are added. Second one is values of different sign are subtracted. The third rule is applied in the answer or the result of the first and the second rule is that in answer place sign of bigger value or the bigger number. As the 6 is a positive integer and the 6 is bigger than 2, so 6 containing a positive sign, so we will write here a positive 4. Toward the exercise, question number 1. Question number 1 is find a value of following. Let's take its F part. So minus 11 add into a minus 5. Minus 11 is a negative integer. We will add again a negative integer in minus 5. So we just write a minus 11. And here is a positive sign. Actually here is a present and a positive 1 integer which is a disappear. When the positive value multiplies with the negative value, it gives again a negative value. So just write here a negative 5. So values of same sign, according to rule we will add them. So add a minus 11 with the 5, it gives a 16. And 11 is a bigger and a 5 is a bigger. I am just talking about the number, complete number, not their sign. 11 is a bigger and a 5 is a smaller. So just write here the sign of the bigger number 11 containing a negative sign. So write here a negative sign. So your answer. Next, move toward the G part. It's a minus 10 and a positive 2. Both having a different sign, so we will just subtract them. 10 is a negative integer, 2 is a positive integer, so subtract them, it gives the 8. And the 10 is a bigger one, and put the answer sign of a bigger value, so it's a minus 8 is your answer. Let's move toward the next question, question number 2. In the question number 2, again we have to evaluate the following number. Let's take a question part E. Minus 1 and negative integer. We have to subtract them again from the negative integer minus 10. Here is again present negative sign before a break. Actually, here is a present a negative 1 integer. As a negative multiplies with a negative integer, it gives a positive integer in answer. So just minus 1 as it is. Here will be a sign change. It's a positive and a 10. Now, according to the rule, 10 is a positive integer, 1 is a negative integer. So values of the two different signs should be subtracted. So subtract them. It gives a 9. And a sign of bigger value is a place in the answer. So we will place it a positive 9. So positive numbers or the positivity is never represent in answer. So just write it as it is a positive 9. Let's take a next part. G part. It's a minus 8 and a minus 3. Both are the negative integers and we just add them because according to the rule values of the same sign should be added. So add them. It gives the 11 and 8 is the bigger, 3 the smaller. 8 containing a negative sign, so write a negative sign in answer. Next, to question number 3 is find a value of following. Question number 3 is a combination of the question number 1 and the question number 2. So just take a part E. Here is a 3 integers minus a. 8 is a positive integer, minus into minus 9 plus 1. 8 is a positive integer, 9 is a negative integer and 1 is a again positive integer. Firstly, evaluate the bracket. It says here is a negative sign. So when the negative value multiplies with the negative value, it gives a positive. So write here 8 as it is, positive 9 and a positive 1. Now 8, 9 and when all the integers are positives, or just add them. 8 and a 9, so add them, it gives us 17 plus 1, right as it is. Again 17 is a positive integer because 9 is having a positive sign. So now again add them, it gives the positive 18 in answer. Let's take a next part, F part. It's a minus 5 with a negative integer, add into a negative integer 3 and again add into a negative integer 2. So evaluate firstly the brackets. As the positive values with multiplies with the negative value, it gives a negative value and answer. So write here a minus 5 as it is, negative 3 and a negative 2. Now values of two same signs should be added. 5 and 3 having the same sign, so we will add them. It gives an 8 and a sign of bigger value place in the answer, it gives a minus 8 and a minus 2 will write as it is. Again values of two same sign should be added, so add them. It gives a 10 and sign of a bigger value is placed in answer, it gives a minus 10 in answer. Let's move toward the G part. It's a 6, it's a positive integer, add into a negative integer 5 and subtract it from the negative integer 8. Now all the rules will apply in the question number 3 part G. Before bracket positive sign and the positive value multiplies with a negative value, it gives a negative value in answer. As a negative value sign before the bracket, when a negative value multiplies with the negative value, it gives a positive value in answer. Now check it out. 6 having a positive integer, 5 is a negative integer. So values of two different signs should be subtracted. So subtract them. Positive 6 from the negative 5, it is a positive 1. So write here 1 and positive 8 as it is. So values of two same sign should be added, so add them, it gives a positive 9 in the answer or in the result. Last part of the question is the H part. 2 is a positive integer, subtract from the negative integer and again negative 8. Before bracket the negative sign, and when negative multiplies the negative value, it gives a positive 7 and a minus 8 as it is. Values of two same side should be added, so add them. It gives a 9 and -8 as it is. The values of the different signs should be subtracted. So subtract them, it gives the positive 1 in the answer. The remaining questions and the problems will discuss during an online class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.